Dougfin, and this is my entry for Backyard Chickens, how to raise chickens. And my entry is about why free-range eggs are better than store-bought eggs. Free-range hens are infinitely better than store-bought eggs. They've got more omegas, beta-carotenes, just in general they're 1,000 times better. But in order to actually have free-range eggs, you have to let your chickens free-range, and that means letting them eat plenty of grasses, bugs, and all the things you find in your backyard.
True free-range birds eat a chicken's natural diet, which includes all kinds of seeds, green plants, insects, and worms. Factory farm birds never get to see the outdoors, and that means they don't get to forage for their natural diet. That leads to unhappy and unhealthy chickens and inferior eggs.
Come here, you. So one of the disadvantages of free-ranging your hens is that every now and then you'll find a hen that wants to roost in your backyard randomly, or sometimes get into the neighbor's yard. So you just gotta keep an eye on your hens to make sure that they're all roosting in their nest boxes. Okay, so since I found her somewhere in the middle of the backyard just nesting, I'm gonna go put her inside of an actual nest and see if she'll lay an egg there. So you should get the eggs out every single day to avoid them from breaking their own eggs. Excuse me. They really don't like it whenever you take their eggs. Oftentimes you'll have more than one hen inside of the same nest, so sometimes you can pick up to like 3 or 4 eggs out of the same nest because throughout the morning different hens will come and just lay eggs.
Mother Earth News conducted a study in 2007 in which they compared and averaged 14 different eggs from true free-range farms against the USDA nutrient database for factory farmed and confined birds. The results were astonishing. True free-range eggs averaged 3 times more vitamin E, 2/3 more vitamin A, 7 times more beta-carotene, 2 times more omega-3 fatty acids, 1/3 less cholesterol, and 1/4 less saturated fat.
So one of the advantages of free-ranging your hens is that it actually is less expensive than constantly having to buy food for them, because this way you can just let them out into the grass and most of the food that they consume is just food that they forage themselves.
Now that being said, chickens make wonderful garbage disposals. Feed them your table scraps and see what I mean.